Hi everyone, it's Thursday, November 21st, 6:42 p.m. Eastern Time, so 2 hours, just shy of 3 hours after U.S. equity markets have closed, 18 minutes before the official Tokyo Open. Hope you guys are all doing well. This is my second video of the day, so if you notice that I'm missing the Aussie pairs, it's because I already did them and there's no real material change, so it won't be a lot of Aussie on this video. Previous video is on my Twitter feed. You can find it if you're looking. So please take a moment to read the disclaimer, and then we'll go to other non-Aussie related trades. Okie doke. Well, I guess we're going to start with an Aussie trade, but it's Aussie Kiwi, so I don't really count it as a true Aussie pair. This 112 level has been monstrous here on Aussie Kiwi, and we actually just spiked down to touch it. So if you wanted to buy Aussie Kiwi when you're watching this video, if we're above 112, it might not be a terrible time with the stop below 112. I'm thinking about it. I haven't made up my mind yet whether or not I want to do it. The video about the Aussie today was themed about how I see a major Aussie breakdown in the works, so I'm not particularly keen on owning the Aussie even against the Kiwi, so might end up passing, but if we do break above 113, it could be a nice breakout trade, something to keep in mind. I got a couple requests. I'm going to cover them real quick. E-minis, 1800, so, well, 1799.75, next major resistance. We held this first support level that I was watching. 1775 held that very well. Talked about that in yesterday's video. So if you trade any E-minis, that was actually a great opportunity. I don't trade E-minis, or at least I don't trade the S&P 500 as I trade currencies. I will take longer and more speculative positions on that. So I did not buy at 1775, and I won't sell at 1800, but those are the levels that you're watching on E-minis. Another request for gold. Oops. Gold. Diving lower, 1240 was the support level I mentioned earlier today. It's holding. It doesn't look like it's going to continue to hold, though, to be honest with you. I'm not really a buyer of gold at all. Next place to buy gold would be the real test of this, back test of this trend line. You could give it a shot, but that is that's not an overwhelmingly positive setup for me. That's about 1220. Major lows around 1180. That could be your next area. But basically, I don't see anything particularly great on gold. Like the Aussie, it looks poised to just kind of grind lower without offering particularly great opportunities. Dollar CAD does look like a breakout. We are sitting right near these previous highs here, but this time we did close the candle here above 105. I do like dollar CAD to the upside, eyeing at least 106.07, these previous highs, likely higher than that. I don't have a position on the pair. If we pull back towards about 104.85, I will probably buy. As much as I hate trading CAD, it's a very nice risk-reward setup, and I'll probably end up taking it. Pound CAD, been yelling for 170 for quite some time now. We finally got there today. Unfortunately, I exited my longs back here at around 168, so c'est la vie. I do still like this pair higher. I would love to see something like this to buy it. Again, you can scroll through some of my older stuff. I am hyper bullish this pair on a macro basis. I'm looking for about 180 sooner rather than later, next 6 to 8 months. So all dips are buying opportunities to me on pound CAD. Crude, I had a request for crude. Crude had a good day today. Well, interesting. Crude, long above 96, looks attractive. Nice little channel breakout. Maybe get a little retest of this 95.45 level. So that is something that I do like on crude. As far as shorts go, I mean, if we break down below 93, we're going to keep heading lower. And the next major support is this trend line here. That's at about 89. So those are the levels to watch for crude. It does look like it's trying to prep for a breakout. Dollar yen continuing to march higher, 101.50. Next major resistance area, the swing high here. Starting to look a little extended. So if we do reach that 101.50, I'd be lightening up significantly. Looking for a pullback down towards the test of this trend line, or maybe this horizontal level at 150. Nikkei, okay, been shouting about this for a while too. Still looking for 1600. That final push higher might come in the form of a nasty squeeze, so that's something to watch for. I mean, I don't think we're going to be able to get there by the end of this week, but very early next week we could see it. Test 1600, then start to fall back along with the rest of the yen pairs. You can see Euro yen making new highs. Pound yen ripped higher today. This is another pair that I was long down here, exited up here. Apparently should have hung on for a little bit longer. You can see what I was hoping for on yesterday's video. I did not get a test back down here, and to be honest, I just straight missed the breakout here. Probably wouldn't have taken it anyway. I didn't feel like they consolidated enough to justify this kind of move. It does look like we actually traded the measured move almost completely here. Yeah, basically perfectly. That's worth noting. If you're super brave, you could short pound yen right up here for a pullback down towards 162. But I can't honestly say that I recommend that. CAD yen also breaking higher. All right, all these yen pairs, general theme. The weak ones are Aussie and Kiwi because of the way the Aussie and Kiwi performed today. But they are finding some support down here. Okay, major resistance is 84 on Kiwi yen. Euro Kiwi pulling back a little bit. 165 is the breakout level for longs. Get above there. It looks really good. Pound Kiwi. Pull back towards 195 would be an excellent long opportunity. Other than that, I don't know, you missed the 300 pip move today. Unless you were long down here, in which case, you know, bravo. But I wasn't. So we shot higher. We broke the triangle. This triangle measured move is fairly significant. All right. Above 2. So if you do see some sort of entry for pound Kiwi, it wouldn't be the worst idea in the world to try to get in on that. Pound dollar. We'll be looking tomorrow and Monday or Sunday night for about 162.35 for an opportunity to short. Sentiment right now on the pound, a lot of people trying to short it. So I don't think we're done. I think we get one more squeeze higher, kick some of those weak shorts out, and then maybe I'll pile in. If we break that level, I'll buy it. I'm happy with that. This could be construed as a pretty decent-sized bull flag. I'm perfectly comfortable with that long opportunity, so I'll be watching for that as well. The pound is one of the currencies that I'm definitely bullish on going forward. CAD Swiss, all right, testing this trend line here after breaking down. Maybe trying to mount a little bit of a comeback here, but it looks like the odds are kind of stacked against it, which would imply that EuroCAD is going to continue to move higher. Though right now, this actually, I mean, for a while now, this pair has been really obnoxious, and I haven't had a good setup on it for quite some time. So that's what I'm looking at here going into the end of the week. Tonight, I'm going to be watching the yen pairs. I'm probably not going to be shorting them, but I'm going to be thinking about it. But I most likely won't be taking any short yen trades until we get a move, a Nikkei move to 16K, and then I will be looking for opportunities to start shorting some yen pairs for a pullback. All right. Hope that's helpful. Enjoy what's left of your week. Enjoy your weekend if I don't talk to you. I will be doing a final wrap-up video tomorrow, so I will talk to you then, but have a great night.